Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at the 5 best WhatsApp plugins for WordPress in 2025. I ranked these plugins based on two things: feature depth, the tools and flexibility they give you, and popularity, measured by how many WordPress users are actively using them. Whether you run a WooCommerce store, a blog, or a service site, these plugins will help you connect with visitors instantly through WhatsApp. Let's dive in with number 5, WP Chat app. Active installs, 100,000. Features, multi-agent support, WooCommerce buttons directly on product pages, custom schedules for availability, page targeting rules, multilingual support. This plugin is perfect if you run WooCommerce. It lets you place WhatsApp order buttons directly on product pages. You can add multiple agents, set business hours, and even target specific pages. It's not as widely installed as others, but it's an excellent option if you want WooCommerce integration plus agent management in one place. Number 4, Social Chat, WP Social Chat. Active installs, 200,000. Features, multiple agents with names, avatars, and schedules, custom welcome messages, show or hide buttons based on business hours, analytics, and short codes. Social Chat is great for businesses with multiple team members. Each agent can have their own profile, name, avatar, and working hours. You can also create custom welcome messages and even hide the chat button outside of business hours. With its analytics and shortcode options, it's a solid choice for small and mid-sized teams. Number 3, Chatty Floating Chat Widget. Active installs, 300,000. Features multi-channel, WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, email, and several others. Floating widget that works across your entire site. Full customization, icon, size, color, targeting rules, and analytics integrations. Chatty is more than a WhatsApp plugin. It's a floating multi-channel chat widget that supports WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, email, among others. It's highly customizable. You can adjust the icon, size, and color, and even create display rules for different pages. If you want WhatsApp along with other messaging platforms in one widget, Chatty is a great pick. Number 2, Boei.help. Active installs, 10,000 plus, but growing fast. Features, AI agent integration for FAQs, smart routing and round-robin distribution, multi-channel support, QR code generation for offline campaigns, auto-translation for global audiences, conversion tracking with Google Ads. While it has a smaller install base, around 10,000 sites, it stands out with some of the most advanced features. Boei supports multiple agents with smart routing, meaning chats can be distributed automatically among your team. It also integrates AI agents to answer frequently asked questions, offers QR code generation for promotions, and even auto-translates conversations for international users. If you want cutting-edge tools in 2025, Boei is one of the most feature-rich plugins available. Number 1, Joinchat. Active installs, 700,000. Features, lightweight and fast with lazy loading, floating WhatsApp button with rich customization, trigger options, delay, scroll, exit intent, custom messages, GIFs, icons, tooltips, WooCommerce integration, analytics tracking with GA, and Facebook Pixel. The most popular WhatsApp plugin with about 700,000 installs. Joinchat is lightweight, loads fast, and gives you powerful customization options. You can set triggers like scroll, delay, or exit intent. It supports WooCommerce integration, custom messages, and even GIFs for more engaging chats. Add analytics tracking with Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel, and it's easy to see why Joinchat has become the go-to plugin for so many WordPress sites. And that's the list of the 5 best WhatsApp plugins for WordPress in 2025, ranked by features and popularity. Let's recap quickly. Number 5, WP Chat app. Number 4, Social Chat. Number 3, Chatty. Number 2, Boei.help. And number 1, Joinchat. Which of these plugins would you use on your site? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more WordPress tutorials made simple. See you in the next one.